So guys, a little life update. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I haven't been consistent here on YouTube like I used to be. And normally I usually post twice a week, which makes it like up to like 8 videos in a month. But currently I only post once a week, and that is because I'm back in school. Yeah. So I went back to school, and you guys know how stressful and exhausting school life can be. So I just try to step down a bit on my videos on YouTube. That doesn't mean I'm not going to post it on YouTube anymore. Like I enjoy posting videos, like I enjoy filming skincare videos here on YouTube. So I'm still going to be posting videos here on YouTube. Just that I'll reduce the number of times I post here on YouTube. So instead of posting twice a week like I usually do, I'm just going to be posting once a week, which makes it like 4 videos in a month. And if I have time, like if I'm really free, then I can just chip in one more videos, making it 5 videos in a month instead of the normal or the regular 8 videos in a month. So I hope you guys bear with me. Like this doesn't mean you should stop watching my videos. Like the fact that you guys watch my videos, engage on my videos, really go a long way in encouraging me to keep posting here on YouTube. So guys, don't stop watching my videos and don't stop engaging on my videos, and I promise to do my best to always post videos every week. So always make sure to check my community tab and make suggestions on the type of videos you want to see on my channel, like I did last week on my community tab. So just feel free to make suggestions. Like I love when people make suggestions on what they want to see here on my channel. It just means that you guys are following up with me, and I'm not just putting out content that you guys are not interested in or won't watch. I always want you guys to watch my videos. So just make suggestions on what you want to see here on my channel. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Please subscribe to my channel to encourage me, and also make sure to like this video. Now let's go right into the video for today. Also going to be explaining to you guys how to use body oils, like how to apply body oils on your skin for you to get maximum benefits. So make sure you stick to the end of this video. Okay, now before I go right into mentioning some of the best body oils that you can use on your skin to achieve that healthy, glowing and blemish free skin, let's talk a bit about body oils. What are body oils and what are the benefits you derive from using body oils? Now body oils are generally derived from natural sources like your fruit, your flowers, vegetables, seeds. Yes, and they are rich in vitamin E and fatty acids that are both moisturizing. Yes, vitamin E and fatty acid have moisturizing properties that would really help moisturize your skin, and that is why body oils are majorly recommended for people with extremely dry skin. Like it helps treat your flaky and dry skin. But that doesn't mean that body oils are only meant for people with dry skin. No, you can also use body oils even if you have combination skin, normal skin, oily skin. But the key is just to make sure you are using the right body oil for your skin type. You get. So I have a video on my channel where I talked about facial oils and how you can get the maximum benefit from using facial oils without any reactions. So I'll make sure to link it in the description box, so make sure to check that out if you're interested in using oils on your face. And I'll also be explaining how to use these body oils to later on in this video. Like I'll be explaining how to use these body oils without any reactions and how to get maximum benefit from it, so you definitely want to keep on watching. Okay, now, what are the benefits you derive from using body oils? Now, the number one benefit is that body oils moisturizes your skin. Yes, there are some body oils that adds moisture back to your skin and also lock in moisture on your skin even more than your regular body moisturizers. Yes. So once your skin have healthy balance of moisture on your skin, like your skin will just keep looking and feeling soft and supple. So another benefit of using body oils is the health benefit. Yes, massaging body oils on your skin will really go a long way in helping you improve your overall body health, because some body oils actually targets some specific areas of your body like your joints and muscles, especially if your body oils contain some essential oils like tea tree essential oil, chamomile essential oil. So these essential oils are known to have therapeutic abilities that would really help improve your aches, pains, muscles and joints. They are just going to help massage, soothe and relieve you of those pains. And some of these essential oils and body oils also works for some specific skin issues like eczema, acne, rashes and the like, as you will soon see in this video. Now let's move on to some of my best body oils that you can use to repair your skin, glow your skin and have a healthy skin. Now the first body oil on my list is jojoba oil. Now jojoba oil is a very popular body oil that is widely used by people, and this is because of the numerous benefits that you can derive from using jojoba oil. Yes, like jojoba oil is very good. Jojoba oil is a natural remedy for acne and dry skin. Yes, if you are dealing with acne, like serious acne, or you have dry and flaky skin, try adding jojoba oil into your skincare routine and you really see a huge difference, because jojoba oil is an antimicrobial and antifungal type of oil that would really help suit your acne. Yes, now another wonderful thing about jojoba oil is that it is non-comedogenic, so that makes it very good for people with acne prone skin. Yes, if you have acne prone skin, you want to make sure you run away from oils or anything that is comedogenic. Please make sure what you are using, especially on your face, is non-comedogenic, and all these body oils I've been mentioning are non-comedogenic, so it makes it very good for your face. But if you're still confused about what oils to use on your face, I have a video on facial oils. Please make sure to check my description box for the link and watch that video on the type of oil you can use on your face that would not clog your pores or make you have acne. Jojoba oil also moisturizes the skin. Yes, like it's a very great humectant that would help lock in moisture on your skin and also help your skin feel so hydrated and moisturized. Jojoba oil also contains some sort of vitamin E oil that serves as antioxidant and protects your skin from any form of bacteria or germs that can appear on your face during the day, like pollution, dirt and the likes. So jojoba oil will also be protecting your face. Jojoba oil also have anti-aging properties in it that would help reduce wrinkles and fine line on your face. So be rest assured that jojoba oil won't lighten your face or your skin. No, it won't lighten your skin and it won't darken your skin. It's just going to moisturize your skin, repair your skin, glows your skin and just help you have a healthy and blemish free skin. Now another thing I noticed about jojoba oil is that it's very good for acne, like very good for acne and sunburn. It's going to help suit your acne and sunburn because of the anti-inflammatory properties in it. Another thing I noticed about jojoba oil is that it controls sebum production. We all know that overproduction of sebum is what causes acne, so jojoba oil is kind of similar to sebum. So when you apply jojoba oil on your skin, it moisturizes your skin, so that just sends a signal to your hair and sweat follicles that your skin is moisturized and you do not need an additional sebum to hydrate your skin. So that would help keep your acne at bay as well. So moving on to the second body oil on my list is the carrot seed oil. Now notice I did not say carrot oil, I said carrot seed oil. So instead of the oil you derive from infusing carrots, this one is gotten from the seed, and that is why it is called carrot seed oil. Now carrot seed oil is very good, like very good, even more than carrot oil itself. Hope you know you can't use carrot oil on your face because it is comedogenic. It's going to break you out, but this carrot seed oil will not break you out. Like it's very good. One thing I love about this carrot seed oil is that it's a blending oil. Like it's going to blend your skin and it's also going to just brighten your skin a little bit, just a little bit. It's not going to alter your skin tone, it's not going to alter your complexion. It's just going to make your skin appear radiant and glowing. So if you are too dark and you are looking towards brighten up a little bit, like just a little bit, then I would advise you go for this carrot seed oil. It's natural and it's just going to blend your skin and make your skin appear more radiant. And for my light skin divas on my channel, not all body oils will darken you. I know some people will be so scared to use body oils because they feel that body oils will darken you. Not all oils are like coconut oil, and even coconut oil doesn't darken everybody. So but some people do complain that coconut oil darkens, but this carrot seed oil will not darken your skin. It's going to help you maintain your fair skin as well. Yes, and it is natural, like purely natural. This carrot seed oil also contains antifungal and antibacterial properties that would help solve some issues on your skin like eczema and sunburn, and this is also very good anti-aging body oil. Yes, it has anti-aging properties that would help remove or reduce your wrinkles and fine lines and help you just have a youthful skin. The third body oil on my list is grapeseed oil. Now, I know you guys know grapeseed oil. Like I mentioned grapeseed oil also in my facial oil video. Now, grapeseed oil is very, very great body oil. Like the fact that it's even lightweight is enough for me to fall in love with grapeseed oil. Like I love, love, love grapeseed oil. The next body oil on my list is the avocado oil. We all know avocado, right? So avocado oil is a very great moisturizing body oil that is packed with omega-3 fatty acid and vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin E. So the vitamin E in it would really help moisturize and nourish your skin. Another thing I love about avocado oil is that it is very, very good for people with mature skin. Like seriously, you want to include avocado oil in your skin if you have mature skin. Also, if you have extremely dry skin, you want to include avocado oil in your skincare product or skincare routine because it's going to really add moisture on your skin and to make your skin appear more glowing. Now, the secret is that avocado oil is kind of heavy, like it's not lightweight like the other oils I mentioned earlier. So that means it's going to sit on your skin if you apply. So that makes it very good for people with extremely dry skin. It's just going to sit on your skin and moisturize your skin, you get. So it will really go a long way in helping you in solving your dry skin issue or mature skin issue. Like it's very, very good. Avocado oil is very, very good. Avocado oil can also help prevent or treat acne on your skin because of the anti-inflammatory properties in it. It's going to help you at least maintain your acne. So please, you want to keep in mind, like I said earlier, that avocado oil is heavyweight, so it's just going to sit on your skin and you might notice greasiness on your skin, especially if you have oily skin. So I won't advise people with oily skin to go for avocado oil, but if you have dry skin or extremely dry skin, avocado oil will just be perfect for your skin. So the last body oil on my list is the rosehip oil. Now I was actually saving the best for the last. Like rosehip oil, you can never go wrong with rosehip oil in your skincare routine. Now let me tell you some of the benefits of rosehip oil. The first thing is that rosehip oil is an anti-aging oil. Yes, I know I mentioned that some of the other oils I mentioned are anti-aging, they have anti-aging properties, but this rosehip oil is a game changer. Like it's anti-aging, it's going to really, really help mature skin and also help reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and the likes. It's also going to improve or increase collagen production on your skin and also help maintain your skin elasticity. One amazing thing about rosehip oil is that it contains a natural source of vitamin A, which is also known as the retinoic acid. Yes, so if your skin do react to retinol serum, like yes, I know most people react to retinol, and that is because your face may be too sensitive for retinol. So if you still want to include retinol in your skincare routine, but you always react to retinol itself, then try using rosehip oil. Rosehip oil also contain retinol, like retinoic acid. So try including rosehip oil into your skincare routine and it will just give you the same result as retinol. Rosehip oil is also lightweight, yes. Like if you've seen rosehip oil before, you know it is lightweight. It will not clog your pores, it will just penetrate deep into your skin and moisturize your skin or lock in moisture on your skin. So rosehip oil will also help treat mild acne. Like if your acne is not severe, it's not serious, then you can also try including rosehip oil into your skincare routine to help maintain and take care of your acne. Yeah. Rosehip oil will also help take care of any form of hyperpigmentation or discoloration on your skin. Yes, it will help even out your skin tone and get rid of those hyperpigmentation and discoloration on your skin. I also forgot to mention that rosehip oil will also help protect your skin from the sun. Yes, rosehip oil contains vitamin A and vitamin E that would help protect your skin from sun damage, from UVA and UVB rays. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't use your sunscreen. Please do not just depend on rosehip oil to help guide your skin or protect your skin from the sun. Make sure you are also applying your sunscreen before you leave the house. But yes, rosehip oil provides a measure of protection from the sun. Now let's talk about how to use these body oils on your skin or how to include them into your skincare routine. Because one thing you want to know about skincare is that you need to know how to use it. You need to know the direction, what to do and what not to do when using these all the skincare products for you to really see the result. So I'm just going to explain to you briefly how to use body oils on your skin without reactions. So you want to make sure your skin is a bit damp before you apply your body oil. Now, why I said your skin should be a bit damp before applying your body oil is because it aids your body oil to penetrate deep into your skin. Like when your skin is dry, most times skincare products won't penetrate into your skin, but when it's still damp, when there's still a little bit of water on your skin and you apply your body oil, it's just going to glide straight into your skin and lock in moisture. It's going to lock in that moisture on your skin and keep your skin feeling moisturized and hydrated for hours. So once your skin is damp, just drop few drops of your body oil on your palm, drop it on your palm, then you massage on your skin, or you just drop few drops of the body oil on your skin. Make sure it glides in through your skin well. And if you wish to use body moisturizers as well, make sure you apply your body moisturizer before your body oil. So your body moisturizer should come first, followed by your body oil, so that your body oil will be locking in all the moisture on your skin and leaving your skin feeling hydrated and moisturized for a long period of time. So guys, that will be the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and if you have any question, if you are confused about anything, let me know in the comment section. Just drop your question in the comment section and I'll be there to answer all your questions. And also make sure you give your girl a huge thumbs up to support your girl, and just tell me that you like what you are seeing, you like what I'm giving you guys. Just please like this video and also subscribe if you haven't done so. Please guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please, my goal is to reach 500 subscribers before the end of this month. Please guys, help your girl to achieve this goal. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.